Hello students, welcome to my channel Vidyakram. It is a channel where you can learn how to write effectively and accurately, against how to speak confidently and fluently. Please like, share and comment after watching my video and subscribe to get a notification about my new videos. Today we are going to study how to use articles a and an. These are two articles we use before singular noun. It is also used before consonant sounds and vowel sounds. कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड्स इसका मतलब है व्यंजन और वॉवल साउंड्स इसका मतलब है स्वर. ए और एन स्वर के आगे नहीं तो व्यंजन के आगे लगाए जाते हैं. There are 26 letters in English language. Out of those, 5 letters are vowels, which are A, E, I, O, U. All other letters are called consonants. इंग्लिश भाषा में 5 स्वर होते हैं A, E, I, O, U और बाकी के सारे स्वर अक्षर है वह व्यंजन होते हैं. ए देखते हैं ए का प्रयोग कैसे करें. ए इज यूज बिफोर सिंगुलर नाउन which begins with consonant sound. ए का प्रयोग सिंगुलर नाउन के पहले होता है और ऐसे नाउन जो कॉन्सोनेंट से स्टार्ट होते हैं. तो देखिए कॉन्सोनेंट्स कौन से हैं. तो बी, सी, डी, एफ, जी, एच, जे, के, एल, एम, एन, पी, क्यू, आर, एस, टी, वी, डब्ल्यू, एक्स, वाई, जेड. ये सब क्या है. कॉन्सोनेंट. एंड वर्ड स्टार्टिंग विथ दिस लेटर बिफोर दैट वी पुट ए. तो ए का ऐसे प्रयोग किया जाता है. कॉन्सोनेंट्स के पहले हम क्या करते हैं. ए रखते हैं और अपना स्टेटमेंट पूरा करते हैं. अभी देखो कंप्यूटर. अभी इसके पहले हम ए रखेंगे क्योंकि कंप्यूटर का वर्ड है ओ सी से चालू हो रहा है. द वर्ड कंप्यूटर इज स्टार्टिंग विथ लेटर सी. दैट्स व्हाई वी यूज ए. नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट पिक्चर. हियर इज अ फ्रॉक and the spelling of the frog is starting with letter F and F is consonant. So before frog we will keep an article A. Now see, we can make the sentence of the using this frog. There is a beautiful frog and beautiful is a adjective. Before adjective singular noun we use articles. Now beautiful is a word starting with letter B. That's why we are using a before beautiful frog. Means विशेषण के आगे भी हम क्या लगाते हैं. आर्टिकल लगाते हैं. लेकिन वहां भी हमें यही देखना है कि उसका वर्ड जो है वो वॉवल से स्टार्ट होता है या कॉन्सोनेंट से स्टार्ट होता है. तो ए और एन ये हम वॉवल और कॉन्सोनेंट के हिसाब से लगाते हैं. इट इज ब्लैक बाइसिकल एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज ऑरेंज बाइसिकल. And the sentence is Karthik has an black or orange bicycle. The answer is orange because in the sentence an is there. We use the article an when the word starting with vowel. The word orange starting with O. That's why we used an. The next one. I usually write an address or new address in my diary. Here see in the sentence "and" is there means we have to use a word which started with vowels. Now address is started with a sound means we have to write answer address, not a new address, because new is a adjective and it started with n. It is a consonant. N is there means we have to word which started with vowel. So the answer is I usually write an address in my diary. The next sentence is she is an dash dash secretary. Options are efficient, hardworking. Here in the sentence we see an is there. Means we have to use that word which starting with vowel. So the answer is efficient because the word is starting with E, which is vowel. Okay. The next sentence is I would like an dash dash mirror for my bathroom. And the options are oval, square. And the answer will be I would like an oval mirror for my bathroom because an is there in the sentence, so we have to use word starting with vowel. So oval is the answer. Now the important tip. See the sentence. Kailas is dash dash honest boy. And the options are A and. The rule is if the first letter is consonant but its sound is like vowel मीन्स क्या फर्स्ट लेटर कॉन्सोनेंट है लेकिन उनका उच्चारण स्वर जैसा है तब हमें एन का प्रयोग करना है In the sentence, the noun is honest and its first letter is consonant H, but we pronounce it honest or honest. इसलिए हम एन का प्रयोग करेंगे इसका मतलब है कि उच्चारण के हिसाब से हमें ए और एन का सोचकर प्रयोग करना है दैट्स वाई वी कैन राइट द आंसर Kailas is an honest boy. Now see the next sentence. There is an dash dash to go up tomorrow. And the options are train or express train. See, in the statement there is an. So we have to select such word which have first letter vowel. Now the answer is express train. Then the answer will be there is an express to Goa tomorrow. Now the next one is for you. See students, it is a statement for you and you have the right answer in the comment box. The statement is a boy is holding dash dash mango and the options are A or an. And please like, share and subscribe my channel after watching it at last. Thank you.